Hello guys, and welcome to the sewing workshop once again. Hope you guys are having a nice time. Today I decided to make a very short and simple video on something that I believe that is going to be very useful for you guys. So in this video I just want to show you guys how to fold your outfit after sewing. I believe this is very important for fashion designer based on the fact that after you are done with your sewing, your packaging actually will make or break your brand, let me say. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. It's a very simple tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace. Hello guys, and welcome once again to the sewing workshop. So quick one, I just want to show you guys this Isia glue that I just finished with. You can see it's quite simple and just a simple tape neck. On this lapel side you can add your, on this side as you can see, you can add your Isia glue ring or those ring, but on this one I'm not putting a pocket, just the plain Isia glue for more guys. So the neck is taped, you can see that it's quite clean. So if you want to like make a ready-made of this, it's quite the same process. You're just going to tape your neck round, but it's not going to be this kind of fabric you'll be using for the Isia glue. It's going to be a stretchy one actually. So this is what it looks like. So on this video I'll be showing you guys how to fold your senator outfit, your traditional. So here it will be a folding, so I'll be using this outfit as the sample for you. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the outfit facing this side, you can see. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it backward, just like this. So here is the back, and I'll be folding half of this. So I want you to pay closer attention to this side. Take a look at this side. Here, when I'm folding, I'll be leaving a maximum of 2 inches at this angle here, between the neck and the shoulder itself. I'll be leaving 2 inches right here. So I'm going to make sure it's straight. So I'll take the iron. So if you're looking at your traditional, most times there used to be gaiters in front of it, mostly like just a straight gaiters. It's giving it shape, like. So this iron, you just give it a shape of that gaiters in front. So here I'll be folding this a little bit like this. At that point, you see that this is sleeve. And I'm going to iron that also. Very simple. So at the other side also, I'll fold it backward, and in between this side I'll also give 2 inches. Make sure you're giving the same thing both this side and this side also. 2 inches. Because the nylon for my packaging is okay. So after that I'll fold this one also. Now iron it. You can see that. So the next thing I'm going to do is, first and foremost, I'll take the bottom part to the front. So here you're going to measure the length of your nylon, your packaging nylon. If it's at 11, make sure you don't go beyond that. But on my own, I have 14 inch. My nylon is 14 by 10. 14 by 10. Yes, 14 by 10. So here, this is what I have this one a bit more than 14. So the folding itself is going to be at 13 inch. So here, I'll fold this one backward first, just to get my gauge. Taking it forward. You can see what I did. Take it forward. You see? So I have it accurate. So in between this, I'll be putting the trouser. This is the trouser. You can see it's quite simple. I make a video on how to cut and sew a trouser, a full video, and I posted it recently so you guys can watch it. The thing I'll be doing on this trouser is I'll just get the accurate size and I'll be folding this edge inside so that it's going to fit firmly inside of this. I'll put it here. See that? So I'll fold this over it. Make sure you balance it well. Fold this over it. Simple. Now I'm going to take my nylon. I'm going to take my nylon and to fold it inside. You see that? Make sure you balance it well. So you can easily insert this edge. This outfit is for Dudu Black brand. You can see that. So if you also want to make something like this, hit me up, or you want to make something like this for your brand. It's as simple as A, B, and C.